Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
First, install the Flutter SDK 3.0 and Dart SDK 2.17 on your machine. Follow platform steps for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux in sequence. Next, install the Android SDK and required Android Studio components for emulators. Also install Java 11 for Android builds to avoid toolchain errors during compile. Verify you have at least 8 GB RAM and 10 GB free disk space for SDKs and emulators. Finally, add Flutter to open Vscode and install the Flutter and Dart extensions from the marketplace. Reload the editor after extensions finish installing so features initialize properly. Enable code formatting and autosave by setting editor. Format on save to true in settings. Configure the analyzer and linter rules to match your project style. Create a launch. JSON that targets Flutter for device selection and hot reload workflows. Add tasks. JSON entries for Flutter pubget and build commands to streamline. Start a new project with Flutter Create and open it in Vscode to begin. Use Flutter Run to launch the app on a connected device or emulator for testing. Rely on hot reload for fast UI updates and hot restart when state needs resetting. Run Flutter Analyze and Flutter Test frequently to catch issues early in development. When ready, create a release build with Flutter Build app or Flutter Build iOS for deployment. Sign Android builds with a key store and follow Play Store upload steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.